Please subscribe my channel and share to everyone. Let's start. Question number 1. Who among the following rulers was defeated by Seleucus? Who among the following rulers was defeated by Seleucus? The answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya is the right answer. Chandragupta Maurya. Next question. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is the right answer here. Next question. Where did Tevaga movement occur in 1946? The answer is Bengal. The answer is Bengal. Next question. When was Indian national song sung for the first time? This is the most important question. The answer is 1896 session of Indian National Congress. 1896 session of Indian National Congress. Next question. When Indian national anthem was first sung? Answer is December 27, 1911, Calcutta. Next question. Where is situated the battlefield of Palashi? Answer West Bengal. West Bengal is the right answer. Next. In the third battle of Panipat, who defeated Marathas? This is the most important question. The answer is Afghan. Answer is Afghan. Next question. What was the name of the Chinese pilgrim who visited during the realm of Harshavardhan? What was the name of the Chinese pilgrim who visited during the realm of Harshavardhan? Answer is Huan Shan. Huan Shan. Next question. Where did the formation of Azad Hind Fauj take place? Answer Singapore. Singapore. Next question. Who was the first emperor of Maurya Empire? Who was the first emperor of Maurya Empire? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya. The class is end today. Thank you for watching my video. All the best.